Hi guys, installers here. Today, we will show you how we install CCTV. We're going to use an IP camera with 2 megapixel resolution. Did you know that IP cameras allow users to view footage remotely? The first thing we're going to do is to terminate the RG45 connector. Remove the PVC jacket from the wire. Straighten all the wires and arrange them according to their color. Then crimp the RG45 connector. Next, connect the CCTV cable to the wire. Now, secure all the screws to stabilize the CCTV. Now, let's proceed with connecting the NVR to the camera and monitor. First, ensure that all required components are ready. We can now disassemble the NVR and install the hard drive inside it. A hard drive is necessary as this is where all the footage will be stored. Connect all the required wires. Safely put the hard drive inside the NVR. After that, you can reassemble the NVR. Ensure that all screws are tight. Next, we will connect the NVR to the switch and the monitor. After that, we will connect the camera to the switch. Finally, check your footage on your device. That's all. I hope you learned something.